What's Gerry up to?
What's Gerry up to, basically?
Right, you suspect that he's idling these days.
Right.
No, he's very busy. Well, one of the, I suppose the main thing is that Gerry is still a TD and a very active constituency TD. We have 2 seats in the constituency, himself and Imelda Munster. We want to hold the 2 seats. So Rory O'Muraku has been selected as Gerry's replacement, his reincarnation in a younger form, and we're anxious to campaign and to hold on to those 2 seats. Gerry has been busy. He has been speaking at commemorations and meetings and doing a huge amount of work for us, and I've no doubt that will continue. But obviously he's in a different space. I mean, he had led from the front for a long time, and I think if he were here talking to you, he would say he's still very busy, but it's a different kind of busy. Just as I would say to you, I had always been busy before coming into this job, but this is certainly a very different kind of busy.
Will you be buying his cookbook at Christmas time?
Indeed, that'll be very interesting. I was very amused to see, pizza in our time, peas in our time. Just to say to you, I suspect, although I haven't seen the text of the recipe, that the recipes might be from people other than Gerry Adams. Gerry's kind of the front man rather than the brains behind the cuisine.
Have you ever tried any of his cooking?
I have, yeah. It was okay, yeah.
We're ringing in.
I'm not saying anything. It's wonderful. Everybody should buy this book.